So you might be in the market for a brand new mouse, even a new mouse pad. After a while, they get a little old, a little worn, and sometimes, depending on how you are at your desk, just plain nasty. Well, in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and an overview of the ASUS ROG Strix Impact 2 Electro optical gaming mouse, as well as the ASUS ROG Sheath Electro mouse pad. This is a tremendous mouse pad. It's tremendous, but anyway, I'll get into that as I'm doing the unboxing, but welcome to This Bytes for You. So come over here real quick and let's get started. All right, so here she is again, the ASUS ROG Strix Impact 2 Electro optical gaming mouse. I like to keep them in this bag when I do the unboxing so that you guys can actually see the bag as well. ASUS Republic of Gamers right over here, and usually when they come in a bag like this, they take a little extra care of it, you know, dust and all that stuff. But anyway, here is the box, here is the side, kind of going over in different languages. I can't exactly read it, so sorry. And then coming over here along the back, kind of going over a few of the different things of the mouse. Okay, and nothing else in the box. I apologize if you're picking up some background noise. People only mow their lawns when I'm recording, the minute I hit record. But anyway, all right, just taking this out. They don't make it easy. All right, so first off, it comes with In Search of Incredible, a warranty card. I always keep the boxes, so just keep this in the box in case you need it. And then ROG Strix Impact 2 Electro optical gaming mouse. Just some of the features and functions and everything on that. And I'll go over all of this in the next video. And then we have the mouse itself. It does come with some of this. Just covered up, making sure it's all nice and pretty when you get it. All right, so starting off with the bottom, this has a 6200 dpi optical sensor, 30G max acceleration, 220 IPS max speed with 1000 Hertz polling rate. It has a pivoted button mechanism, so not sure how that works out just yet. Ooh, they feel very, very light. Okay, it has a 4-level DPI switch, on the fly DPI button. I don't see it here, maybe I'm missing it. Oh, that's, yep, DPI right down there. Now this also utilizes ASUS's Aura RGB illumination Aura Sync, so personalized play settings. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 programmable play buttons. Now, as I mentioned, that these felt very light. The mouse itself feels amazingly light as well. So they tout a lightweight build with ambidextrous ergonomic design. Now, I am lefty, but because I came up in the school system, it's not good to use your left hand, so I learned to use my right hand. Now, because this is ambidextrous, and I feel it because it doesn't have any kind of curves, and I still have the wrapping. It doesn't have any kind of curves that makes me kind of go with it. So I can definitely use it with my left hand, but I'd have to use this finger for the forward and back button. See there, that ROG logo, nice. All right, it is compatible with Windows 10 And as I was saying, on the light side, it weighs 79 grams, so super light. It does come with a 1-year warranty. The cable is not sheathed, it's rubberized. Now it comes with this, look at that. And they have it so that you won't lose it in case you gotta go to a LAN party or you're traveling or something. It stays right on the band. Now let me see how long this cable is. So from the very tip right over here till right here, it is 83 inches, almost 7 feet. So it's not too bad, pretty decent length. All right, so let me give you a little show of the mouse. Now, of course, you can use the mouse on a table. It's going to work fine, but chances are you're going to want to use a mouse pad. All right, and now we have the ASUS ROG Sheath Electro. Okay, and coming along the top, optimized for smooth mouse gliding, massive dimensions for all your gaming gear, non-slip rubber base, durable anti-fray stitching. And then here they just go over some of the stuff on the mouse, and I'll go over that in a minute. A sheath is a protective scabbard for swords and blades. In our gaming world, ROG Sheath serves as the protective base for your gaming peripherals as you command them into battle. Your opponents may be crushed or ripped to shreds, but not the ROG Sheath. That's a nice commercial. All right. And let's go ahead and open that guy up. Okay, it also comes with deodorant. I don't know if you should be using this on your armpits though. It says deodorant. High performance activated carbon. Kind of sounds like you should be using this on your armpits, but don't. All right, and don't eat these. All right, and there comes a, oh look at that. The mouse didn't have any, but this comes with 2 stickers, Republic of Gamers, one in black and one down here in silver. And well, nothing else in the box. All right, let me move some stuff out of the way because I think this is going to be huge. So don't worry, that's the bottom. Okay, yeah, it's huge, but it is beautiful. All right, so this is tremendous. It's 900 by 400 by 3 millimeters. So 900 by 300 by 3 millimeters. So it is thick, or 35.43 inches by 17.32 by 0.11. Now, you may not appreciate how large this is because you don't really have a reference. Here is the keyboard. Now, that's not a huge keyboard though. So maybe you're thinking, well, I still can't tell. And then over here, you have the mouse, but maybe you still can't tell. Now this is a keyboard I use on my workstation, And so on this mouse pad, if I wanted to, if I had two machines I was running on, I can have my keyboard for gaming, my other keyboard for working, and then the mouse I share between them through a KVM. If I wanted to, though, through a KVM, I'd be using one mouse, one keyboard anyway, but you'll get the idea on how tremendous this mouse pad is. This will definitely be an amazing mouse pad. Now, let me bring you in a little bit closer to it. All right, so I'll start you off on the left. You can see here the nice design they have on there. Bring you in closer. All right, and leaving the mouse on there just for right now. All right, and you might be able to see the texture there. All right, so I do have to clean it. I just took it out of the box, so. And then coming over here, I just wanted to show you the edge of the mouse pad. All right, now let me take you to the bottom of the mouse pad. Now, the bottom, very basic, as you probably would imagine. It is a non-slip rubber base. Now, that border I showed you a second ago, right along there, is their durable anti-fraying stitched frame. So you could see it there a little bit, and just how thick it is with my thumb right there and my fingers. It is pretty thick. Again, 3 millimeters thick. And it is a lightweight mouse pad. And if you didn't see it before, because of the mouse I had there, of course, the Republic of Gamer logo. So while I would love to tell you that the mouse and the mouse pad feel great and they work great and everything, you literally saw me unbox them. So I really don't know just yet. I'll let you know in my next video. But I can tell you the keyboard feels great. It very responsive, types very well. Not incredibly loud, but it is, you know, you can hear it. And with the ASUS crate, very customizable. I'm sure the mouse will be as well, with all the RGBs and all that good stuff. But stay tuned, I am gonna bring you a lot more. I have links down in the description below so you guys can check them out. This is part of the ASUS ROG Electro Punk series. So pretty nice series that I've seen so far, but I will bring you a lot more, so stay tuned. As always, like and subscribe, it'll help me out a ton, and you will see a lot more from me soon on this and tons more. Iggy out. See you guys.